1, 2.
And we are back for the fourth episode of
All Things Considered.
I'm Chelsea Vox.
And I'm Carl H.
And today we are covering the topic strangers get paid, friends get peanuts. Why we undervalue our own people. I think it's going to be quite the discussion, and once again we hope that you will be subscribing, you'll be sharing it out, and most importantly engaging in today's episode because we are quite excited about this one.
And I think this is something that everyone has a story to tell about.
Yeah. So ons gaan nou nog baie lang tyd morsie. We're gonna go straight into question number 1, Carl.
Question number 1 will be today. Why do people trust a stranger with a price tag more than someone they personally know?
I would say the media. The media has a way of pushing things in our faces. The digital platforms have a way
Yes.
of pushing things in our faces, so much so that it becomes familiar. En baie mense gaan met familiarity.
Yes.
So as ek nou 'n spesifieke ding soos miskien iPhone is heeltyd as dit op die advertensies.
Yes.
En later van tyd gaan ek vir Carl vertel, hoor jy gesien hy ding van iPhone
iPhone,
as 'n
yes, yes.
So people like familiarity, and I think people would go for that. Whereas when it comes to your own people, miskien is er nou iets wat nou iets niets is, iets uit die box uit, but because they're not familiar with it, they would say, Annie, ek trust dit hy besig het because die mense, niemand
Yes.
praat daarvan nie, iets klinkie vir my reg omtrent hierdie storie nie, and I think that's why a lot of people would go for something with a price tag that they are familiar with,
Yes.
rather than the people that they know.
And also add to Chelsea's is that maybe they know the person and now they want to try to portray this person. I know you because I know your capabilities, I know you this and this and this. So in my mind, I made up already in my mind, it's not going to work. But another thing on that same question, if I can add something today, is that why the person with the price tag? Why the stranger? Is it because my price is my price? Is it because I stick to this is my price and I'm a stranger, and because you don't know the unknown, meaning you don't know the stranger, are you going to trust him more because my 50 rand is my 50 rand?
Ja, en weer eens soos ek wil sê, ek dink dat definitief die media speel 'n groot rol in dit. Want hulle maak seker dat daar advertensies is, dat mense dat dit in mense gesigte gedruk word, so that you have no other choice to buy or to purchase whatever that specific brand is offering. So yeah, I think it can be that. It can
Yes.
definitely be that. Second question: how do pride, jealousy, or competition subtly influence our willingness to support friends?
Oh, that's a nice one. Hoekom nie? Because ek is jaloers. Want hoekom met my neighbor, hoekom met my vriend, hoekom met my niggie, hoekom met my neef excel in wat hulle doen?
Die hartseer gedeelte van alles is that we've got this thing, and it's a very bad thing that us, specifically our colored community, I would say, have.
Yes.
Is, as ek nou vir jou, as jy nou iets doen, nee, sê maar nou jy verkoop nou 'n produk,
Yes.
jy doen alles daai. Ek wil hê jy moet vooruit gaan nie, in my back mind, because dit beteken ek gaan dit vir jou in 'n betere posisie plaas.
Yes.
Maar die moment wanneer 'n groot brand miskien vir jou sien, wanneer 'n groot brand vir jou nader, dan is dit hoe hy's ons se kind, hy's aan Mina se
Yes,
kind wat daar langs ons
yes.
hy's ons kind, then it becomes ons se kind. But when ons se kind started that thing, when ons se kind
With
put in
nothing.
the blood, the sweat and the tears in this thing, when ons se kind het vir jou gesoebat om net 'n samosa van R2 te koop by ons se kind, kon ons was dit nie ons se kind nie, was dit nie jong, julle wel nou kom ek by pad dat julle is lastig.
Ja.
Maar the moment when somebody once again in the bigger industry, in wanneer iemand in die media miskien of vir ons se kind sien,
Raak sien.
nou dan nou raak dit ons se kind. So there's a very bad thing when it comes to jealousy and competition, subtle competition in our industry, because Carl doen miskien nou iets, maar ek weet my neef kan ook daai.
Daai doen.
Nobody asks van jou neef.
Ja.
Jou neef wil jy sê, hy wil eens opgestaan het van hy bank af waar hy altyd staan in PlayStation speel het. Maar Carl loop in die straat aan klop door to door. Rugini, door to door gaan Carl en gaan verkoop sy samosa daar vir die R2.
Yes.
But my neef kan het ook doen. So I feel like that is a very bad thing. How does pride, jealousy and competition subtly influence our willingness to support friends? Hoe doen dit? Is deur ons mense wat hulle gaan jou niks.
Definitief.
Hulle gaan jou niks.
En ek dink as ook die hart is op 'n verkeerde
Ja.
plek. Die hart is te donker. Die hart sien net die sleg raak en die hart sien nie wat actually aan die agterkant van daai persoon sit. As 'n droom, hy kan doen dit miskien om 'n droom te van. Maar die hart kan nie daai sien nie, want die hart sien nou net 'n lastige klomp. So guys, sometimes we have to look, it's maybe bigger than the picture. En ek het nou al keer gekom op baie occasions waar mense, broodjies, samosas, even 'n man wat mimiek doen op die strate om net 'n tip te kry. And that was only to fund his daughter's education fees.
And you know what? No, what we must know is that we are all here with a purpose.
Oh, yes.
We are all placed on this earth, and we're all here to take up space.
Oh yes.
There is a place under the sun for absolutely
yes.
everybody. So there's really no reason for you to be jealous about another person, because what I know is that everybody has been gifted a gift,
Oh,
and
yes.
everybody's gifts are different. There's always something extra added spice to your gift that you can bring to the table. So like I said, we are all here to take up space. We have no reason to be in a subtle competition with anybody. As dit jou kans is, gaan jou kans kom. But there's another thing also that faith means nothing without function, without trying, without
And
you
putting in the work.
So you need to do that as well in order for you to get where you need to be. Daar is plek vir ons almal onder die son. We really do not have to be in competition with our friends and ons ek kan dit nie verstaan nie. And we are all so strong. We will all be stronger together.
Oh yes.
The beautiful thing about the books in South Africa is that it always says stronger together, and it's a truth. Stop being jealous vir ons mense. Instead dat ons moet saam staan, jy sal nooit weet hoe powerful ons eintlik is nie.
En hou op comparisons doen. Hou op mense compare met mekaar. As like Chelsea sê, ja, jy moet sy eie bietjie spice. Selfde talent, miskien selfde droom, but a different touch to it.
Yeah.
And
just because, nou wat ek praat nou van talent, just because ek nou nie hoë note kan gaan haal soos Mariah Carey of lae note soos Gladys Knight het, nou die hoë note is nou outomaties die bitter ene nie. No. Once again, everybody's got his own space and his own spice that he adds to the whole pot wat ons almal van kan eet.
oh yes. Do people avoid supporting their friends because they don't actually believe in the product or the talent?
I won't say that they don't necessarily believe in the product because they know their friends.
Oh yes.
They know exactly, hulle weet wie hulle vriende is, hulle weet waarvoor hulle in staat is. And it can also be, it's because they believe in that product, because they think that that product can actually go somewhere. Nou gaan ek jou nie support nie. Ek gaan jou nie support nie because jy gaan outomaties aan in 'n beter position.
Hulle sien die future.
Hulle sien die future, en dis waar die vorige question vandaan kom. As a subtle competition, as a subtle jealousy
Yes,
wat
question
daar
number
aangaan.
2.
As a subtle jealousy wat nou gepaard gaan met dit, because wat sy gaan nou self eintlik in 'n baie betere posisie vind as wat ek is, en ek kan nou nie uit toelaat nie. So, let's rather say we do not believe in this product, but we actually do. We see the potential. We know that you've got something good at hand here, but
En as
nie vir jou nie.
definitief, en as soos jy sê, ek gaan hand aan hand in vragie nommer 2, because if you look at it, it is that hoekom vir jou support as ek dieselfde ding kan doen? But Chelsea's putting in the work. I'm sitting on the couch. So why would I want to make that comparison? Hoekom sal sy so 'n comparison doen? Because at the end of the day, it's just right to support Chelsea. Because Chelsea is putting in the work. Chelsea is doing the grinding. She's doing the homework. Yes, I can do the same thing. But am I doing anything? No, I'm just sitting back.
Although, ek kan dit in 'n ander oogpunt ook sien waar ek sal sê is sometimes you know die produk is eintlik afgewater. Hy is 'n afgewaterde produk wat sy nou aan my wil verkoop. Maar jou eerste gedagte is ek moet geld maak.
Yes.
Ek moet geld
Ja,
maak
sal.
soos die hustle moet aangaan. Want jy kan ook die afgewaterde produk verkoop en verwag jy nou ek moet nou my laaste sent gee en vir jou dit gee nie, dit gaan ook nie werk nie. We should also stop with that. Nie as die waarheid, jy met dit nou al persoonlik gesien nou. Waar ek gesien het, nou kom ons koop maar nou die dingetjie.
Van die hart is pap.
Die enetjie my hartjie is pap, maar kom die dingetjie by my, dink ek nie wragtig. Nee, ek kan hom nou sien nie, dan nog.
Ja,
Dan nog niks krag ingesit in die besigheid wat jy
lag.
gegeet het.
As die waarheid.
Yeah.
It's the
And we
truth.
don't want to talk about that part because you're scared you want to hurt the person's feelings. But if that person really believes in the product and really wants to do something about it, they will take that constructive criticism.
Yes,
And say,
a kind
hey,
review.
die story moet ek nou reg maak.
But it's true.
Nie jy met 'n paar afgewaterde produkies gekoop wat ek baie en gooi tog as verpot, maar we have to stop that also, guys. We need to start giving
It's really
people
happening.
things for their worth their money.
Oh yes.
Nie waar?
Ek laat my net sê waarheid. Cause guys, as ook waar. Ons kan ook 'n produk daar buite gaan sit of 'n service daar buite gaan sit en dit is nie soos wat die requirements sê of hoe die advertensie is.
Hulle is baie lief om kyk jy sit hy foto's wat hulle post op hulle websites, jongen, dit is 'n mal lekker storie.
Mos.
Jongen, kom die jalapeno aan nou nie uit soos 'n jalapeno nie, dan sit daar komkommer.
En
Nee, my skat.
ek dink reklame is 'n baie groot rol in die hele ding. Cause almal fokus op die fokuspunt van reklame. Sorry, ek is nog weer in my Afrikaanse.
Nee, is reg, jy weet nie dan.
Want deze reklame is net nog 'n woord vir bemarking en vir marketing. So be careful guys, cause the marketing is supposed to produce the actual product.
Yes, and once again to touch on that as well. Nou kom jy koop 'n burger, jy koop nou 'n burger by iemand of jy koop nou
By fundraisers.
of jy koop nou 'n Gatsby of whatever, jy koop ietsie nou nee. Maar net omdat nou jou chommy is of jou familie
Yes.
is of jou
Gaan ons support,
jou kollega
Ja.
se besigheid of miskien is dit nou 'n insameling
Yes.
van jou kollega se kind se
hockeyspan.
hockeyspan of se voetbalspan of
Yes.
iets is dit. Nou koop jy nou hierdie storie, nou sê dit vir jou, are you going to get a nice steak Gatsby?
Yes.
Dit by jou kom as dit nou pork wat hulle nou gegee het daarso. Maar net omdat ons mekaar ken sê ek, nee, moenie worry nie, mens kan gee maar vir my daai ding.
Of as fyn gekook.
Of is fyn gekook of alles is weg of was jy 'n chippy insig of was jy 'n tomaat, niks van daai insig nie, maar net nou ons moet maar
In the
nou
name of support.
because sissie moet mos nou oor water gaan, so ons moet maar nou. That is also wrong, guys. We need to stop that kind of that thing.
Because at the end of this, it's a service.
As
It's a
service
product.
delivery, stay service delivery of wat nou 'n voetbal toernooi se sponsorship is of whatever.
Of
Ek
whatever
sê
that
delivery.
as ek stem 100%
Yeah.
saam. And if you get to that point, en nog 'n ding wat hier is, baie groot is dat you want to create something. You want to put out something there. But you don't have the expertise. Mense, daar is niks verkeerd om experts aan te stel om die ding te laat gaan nie.
Yep.
Ek kan jou mense tussen my en Chelsea, kom jy na by Chelsea se kook.
Nee, wag.
Nee.
Hey!
So ek is altyd nervus om vir Chelsea kos te bring, want die ander aand was die bordkos was mes is wat, die groente is wat, as net die gravy wat bring is.
Dit was lekker. En hy sê lady foto was regtig baie lekker.
So in my mind, as ek weet ek wil nog iets aanpak, ek het dit kan doen nie, but I have the funds for it. I'm gonna get the expert, Chelsea. Maak daar kom my bos rolletjie van ons moet gaan verkoop. Because I trust Chelsea better. Because she has the expertise. She knows how to work those hands in the food and make it with love. So that's not verkeerd om a silent partner of a silent ghost of a ghost person to be behind the thing. As long as we get to the purpose and provide the proper product and service.
And even if there is really no funds available, there are still very good people
Oh,
out
yes.
in this world. It's just a matter of asking.
Oh,
Because
yes.
sommige kere, jy kan nie iets wil verkoop. Another thing that we need to do is we can't sell something without us being able to ask as well. Jy kan nie 'n ego nog naby het nie.
Oh, yes.
Because why? Sommige kere, net soos jy 'n community nodig het om jou kinders groot te maak, dit is soos 'n kindjie wat jy groot
Oh, yes.
maak nou. This is something that you are breeding. This is something that you are believing in. This is something that you
Investing
want.
in.
You investing in. So to get some people in to ask for help has never been a downfall. It's never been a problem. That's altyd mense wat willing is om te help sonder die agenda dat ek kan ook nog 'n payslippie kry
Or the
van
dark
dat
side.
Ja. We can go, ek kan heeltyd praat oor die topic, maar ons tyd gaan vir ons vang. So I'm gonna go to, wil jy nog iets gesê om te die vraag?
Niet zo meer als ons aangaan, jullie kennen voor ons het een klets in ons.
Okay,
so
so-
ons eten ons kan aangaan.
Okay, question number 4. How do you tell the difference between support and exploitation?
Support. It has to come from a pure place. Support is something that is coming willingness.
Willingly.
Willing fully. It comes with love. It comes with no expectations. And hoe sê hulle altyd? Ek kom deur.
Goed hier vir jou. Ja.
Ek op pad toe. Soos
Ons
Jesus sal sê,
steek,
ek kom
ja.
na die wit lyn toe.
Yes.
You know? Exploitation. Ja, maar as ek nou vir jou gaan support, wat gaan ek benefit? Ja, maar as ek nou vir jou gaan support, kan ek discount kry. Ja, as ek nou die marketing vir jou gaan doen, kan ek 'n extra incentive maak, of kan ek 'n hoe noem dit? 'n kommissie kry. Exploitation is something you always want something in return of jy leech heeltyd of kom ons maak 'n voorbeeld. Haarkapper. Yeah, guys, I was put in this morning by Ivan, sat out. But as if you look at the barber, exploitation, jy doen alles vir jou chummy. Nee? Maar nou is die vraag. Are you gonna leech on that because it's a monthly save up for you to not
Okay.
having a barber?
Or saving money because your friend is doing it for you for free. So you are saving elke week sy haircut.
As basically a budget, because ek weet dat met 'n budget in 'n man se lewe is alles net 'n budget, is 'n moeding, net soos vir ons hulle nails en hulle hare en hulle make-up prioritize. So support, for me there's no expectations. It's coming with true love. I am there. Ek show up. Moet ek nou gou die stage speel met 'n besem om seker te maak is reg. I don't want anything in return. I'm there to see you grow. I'm there to see your success, and I'm there to give you your flowers. Exploitations for me, I always want something. I always want to leech. I always want to have a benefit, or I always want to have a fork or a knife into the pie. For me, exploitation is a no-go for me.
Moet ek even vergeet van my friend, ek wil ek op my friend se boekie gaan sit. Of op hy se boekie.
Hoe ek ken op hy se boekie.
Die boekie.
Die boekie is 'n probleem.
Of nee, jy moet nou my niggie. So ek gaan weer einde van die maand met jou reg maak.
Ja, ja.
Einde van die maand, as ek my geld vra, word ek sleg aangekyk en dan is ek sommer die grootste probleem in die familie.
En jou naam het sommer na die hele familielede toe
Of-
sy gaan aan oor geld.
Ja, so ek glo as dit jou familielid is, as dit jou vriend is, as dit jou kollega is, as dit iemand is wat jy wil support, you support them and you pay full price.
Yes.
Or you say, listen here, I really can't support you, I really can't pay, maar ek gaan seker maak dat ek met my mond vir die mense
Oh,
gaan
yes.
sê, hoor, so gaan support my cousin.
Oh yes.
You know, sometimes support doesn't always come in the form of money.
Money. Oh yes.
Sometimes it just comes by word of mouth.
Oh, yes.
You just spreading it out to another person, that is already the support, a lot of support. That's already a lot of support. So sommige kere as ek nou fisies, soos ek weet my niggie, shout out to Anissa, she's got her own nail company. Sy het baie klein begin, and it is also something that she started off not knowing if it's going to grow into something.
Oh, yes.
That girl is doing the things right now. And I made sure that I will pay her the price that she asked. Maak nie saak wat dit is nie. En as ek nou nie van jou dienste nou jou kan gebruik maak nie, hoor is ook kaal, Anissa te nou, dink daar so, vra vir jou niggie se kinders wat met tikkers toe gaan, laat hulle go gaan.
Kontak hoe dan.
And you know what, and these people doesn't always need to know that you are doing it. Some people, sometimes gaan hulle net mense, sometimes gaan hulle net mense by jou deur opdag en sê, hallo, ek het gehoor, sy doen dit, sy van waar kom die persoon nie, but it could have been coming from Carl's mond, ek gesê, hoor, is so teiken dit daar, so ietsie. So, in terms of exploitation, we shouldn't, there's always a thing that says we shouldn't bite the hand that feeds us, yes, but we should also not make as if that person is not worthy of the price that they are asking. Weer eens, as jy nie kan betaal nie, you don't have to, but you can always spread the word. Talking is free. We are all having freedom of speech in South Africa. We are allowed to promote.
Of, wat is fout van, ek het die geld die Chelsea, nee? Maar wat kan ek doen? Is daar 'n manier hoe ek, whatever the purpose is, kan support?
Maar dan moet ons ook nie vergeet dat hy kan ook nie aan mekaar die purpose is, want as ons nou sê, kyk hier so, as alright, sy mos nou nie, sy gaan nou vir my nou, amper soos hulle sê die dopstelsel, sy gaan nou vir my 'n koeldrankie koop vandag, as alright, ek gaan jou naaltjie doen vir jou vandag, môre kom jy nie meer na paai aan nie met jou mekaatjie, maar jou hele voeding los, want ek soek my sente. Nie die wêreld.
Of aan mekaar kom ek met dieselfde cycle.
Nie weg, ons kan ook nie dago hier, ja. Ek moet nie weet, jy nee, ek het maar jou paai en jou alles, nie my vriend.
Guys, I'm loving because this is really things happening in our daily lives. And because we are family, because we are friends, because we are colleagues, because we are having networks or whatever, we have to suppress it because you don't want to stir up anything. Guys, this is happening.
Especially in families. If hulle verwag, jy moet dit doen.
Yes.
Nou as jy miskien nou in 'n klein bietjie van 'n betere posisie is, en nou is julle is nog vasgevang in 'n situation waar jy nou nie kan provide of kan iets doen omtrent dit nie. Vra hy kan van hy kan gaan forsie.
Ek lees oor die water, sy by ander currency as 'n meta van we believe jy moet net
jy moet net hê
en jy moet net gee. Guys,
en as jy nou net kan gee nie, ek die waarvoor sy oor water en van hy talent van haar paramees gehaal.
Of nee, so we are lekker, sy wil mense ken nie. But guys, there is also exploitation.
Het maak
It is also a part of, wat is die Afrikaanse woord vir exploitation? Even ons maar gesê uitgefrit op.
And you know what's the sad thing? Even with us in the music industry, another form of exploitation is, and this is going to be our next topic that I'm just going to be throwing in there. Jy get booked by a booking agent. Die booking agent sê, hy kan nie vir jou fee betaal nie, maar hy kan vir jou 3 gigs gee.
En, eet ons maar so 3 bottles daarbij.
3 bottles daarbij.
Dat nog
nou
opmaak.
Of, hulle sê, no, you can run a tab by the bar. Nou gaan gig ek vanavond. Ek gaan gig vanavond, maar ek weet, ek het ook so 'n suigeraag sê in my, en ek het ook liever 'n dottie om aan die keel af te gooi. As ek weer kom sien, en dan as het my pay wat ek gepay het, dan ek kan nou die bar pay met my...
Chummy, dan, kom ons sit gewoon x amount daarbij. Ons 2 gaan vanavond.
Ons gaat die namen noem van plekken.
Industry. Ek en Charles gaan vanavond perform. Nee? Nou is ons nou aan met van, kykie, dis klomens wat die week, en dis klomens wat die prijs gaan week nou. So, kom ons sit, voorbeeld, ons sit 'n X amount daarbij, okay? Ons betaal vir julle R1000 saam.
Sure.
Maar nou, ek weet wat is die kaliber talent van Charles, maar ek weet ook, Charles is a creative mind. Because Charles gaat niet op een stage loop en een show doen wat zang is. My mind is door Charles aan het denken aan belichting, Charles aan het denken aan een sound technician, Charles aan het denken aan what can elevate the bagush. But now we sit with R1000 and we sit with the masterpiece.
En hy plek waar ons gaan perform, maak R1000.
R1000. Nou, as dit met, nou ek en Charles is miskien mense wat glo ons drank ja soos weekie of ons is hier om die job te doen. So vir ons is dit as nou ons R1000. Maar as ons dan nog wil vir ons kon kry na die week nou, ons dan nou 'n dorpie en of ons wil gewoon net 'n drankie van celebrations. Maar min gaan jy want
Dan moet jy nog maar...
ja, as ek kry R500, ek kry R500. Nou dis nog 'n sound technician. Ek kom ons sê byvoorbeeld Ivan, as ons sound technician, nou met chances kom ons kry R200.
Ja.
Ons sit nou met R300.
En dan moet ook kyk, hoe gaan ons by die huis? Kom
En ons nog-
Peter, wat is op aangooi? Nee, ja.
Ja, men sit ons.
But that's going to be next week's discussion.
Oh ja,
so,
dat is
yeah.
it, as it, guys.
If you're interested in watching next week's episode, please come around because we're gonna talk about, we're going to unpack about the music industry
Yes,
and the
especially,
exploitation
yes.
thereof.
Especially our people in the industry, whether jy nou on radio is, whether jy nou on drama
And
is,
film.
whether jy on filming is, whether jy nou on sing
Live
is,
entertainment.
live entertainment,
Studio recording, record labels.
everything, guys.
Tune in
Check
next
out
week
for
as well.
next week because I feel it's
Yeah.
gonna be a little bit of heat, you know, because I think come on, guys. But
Yeah, to
let's-
sum it up, guys, this is ons moet op ons mense, ons moet op ons mense exploit
Explode.
en ons mense moet also op om afgewaarde goed aan ons mense verkoop net omdat jy van my moet support.
En ons
Let's
mense maar
not,
ook
let's be real.
op hoe uitgefrit wees.
Ja, en los bang se boekie.
Sorry, Jana.
Los bang se boekie because vir die vader kan ek nie elke dag 7 uur weer
Ja.
gaan en gaan sit agter 'n ding. Soos dan ek moet nog 'n pang afbetaal.
Hou
Nooit nie.
op en
Nooit.
hou op uitgefrit wees en as
Nooit.
hy nou nie geld het, die pak maar dan hy brood
Bakkie
en
brood.
sny dit op.
Maar-
En wat die man moet jou salaris kom, maar moet jy nog 'n pan 10 brode koop en jy maak dan nog hy persoon wat 8 slinge per slag het.
Nee.
Nee, so guys, maar dit word oor
Yes,
en
okay.
alles wat ons nog gepraat van onder exploitation.
Ja.
Maar op 'n dag daar is goeie mense daar buite.
Ja.
Daar is mense met oop harte. En ek weet jy wat nou kyk hierna is daar is mense wat daar nou klop vir jou.
100%.
Daar is mense wat bid vir jou sukses.
100%.
So moet jy mismoedig voel nie. Moet jy voel om op te gee nie. Ek het baie toe praat ek en self sê ek weet jy skat endurance, time investment is the one step closer to a successful journey. So keep on grinding, keep on going. Yeah, whatever we do, whatever we put out there, we put ourselves to a limit where we can be judged, especially on social media. But you keep going. En ons het dank vir die goeie mense buite.
Oh yes.
Nee?
100%. The angels on earth.
Angels on earth, keep on doing your work, because someday God will reward you.
Oh yes.
Is er nog iets in my sky?
Nee, Chummy, ek het te veel gesê. Ek het te veel gesê. Ek dink ons kan die laaste vraag vir die mense gee.
So die laaste vraag is aan julle, maar voor ons julle die vrae gaan gee, please don't hesitate to subscribe.
Please.
Don't hesitate to comment because that is your way, this is your tool to have a voice. And please don't stop liking and sharing. We do love the engagement. We do
Yes.
appreciate all of you. We are on officially pages such as Facebook, All Things Considered. We have our YouTube channel, All Things Considered
Podcast.
and we also have a TikTok account page,
Things Considered
All Things
Podcast.
Considered Podcast.
And do believe that we do see all of the messages.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes it is just because we are juggling between jobs.
Yes.
We are ons werk aan die aand en so sometimes we have to shoot during the day.
Yes.
And we
Ek-
have to do our things during the day and then as ons weer kom sien, hey, ons moet nou weer klaar maak vir Chava en ons moet nou weer gaan.
En drie
And
nag,
yeah.
daar sit ons en lees nou die comments.
So sometimes when we do take a little bit long to respond, please know that we will get to your comment. We will get to it and we really appreciate it. Ons waardeer die laaste comment, die laaste like, die laaste share.
Yes.
Baie verskriklik groot dankies. En nog 'n ding, this thing is a podcast. We are not monetizing from this. We
Oh,
are
yes.
doing this because we like to talk, we like to sit and talk, and we like to share our opinions. But it doesn't necessarily mean that another opinion or another perspective is not right. What we're saying is only according to us.
Our
and
opinion.
once again, die mense wat die goed is uitshare, as mense wat ons van nêrens af ken nie, maar julle sal nie verstaan hoe 'n engel julle in ons lewe is.
yes.
So thank you for sharing out these things, and some of you that can relate to all of this, and some of you that are questioning, challenging our opinions. We appreciate you too,
yes.
because you are the drive for us to go even
yes.
further. So thank you for that. Chomi, ons praat alweer. Gaan na die laaste vraag.
Die vraag as volg. Would you... Sorry. Yes, we are. Would you rather be supported by strangers or overlooked by your own people? Can we rephrase that again quickly?
Yes.
Would you rather be supported by strangers or overlooked by your own people?
As ons nou die vraagie moet aanpak, gaan ons tot 5 uur.
So ons los dit maar nou vir julle. So come on, tell us about it and give your view.
Okay. So yeah, that is what it is. Once again, please guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it out. We really appreciate everything here. And also, if there's anything that you want to say regarding this topic, please do leave it in the comment section.
Oh yes.
Please do leave it in the comment
Or
section.
DM All Things Considered.
Do DM All Things Considered. And if you want to go more professional route, you will find our email is attached on all of our platforms as well.
Yes.
You can email us directly as well. Yeah. So this concludes the episode of today.
So Chelsea, can you give us a sneak view or the next topic for our next episode?
Okay, so next week's topic is industry control and exploitation in the music scene. That's what it is. Exploitation in the music scene and industry control. That is our next topic. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being loyal support, and thank you for sharing out our videos and our almost it skits, our reels and our little TikTok videos, our shorts. Thank you guys. Once again, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for you to know that when the episode drops. Just know that we drop every Wednesday. Every Wednesday we drop. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Are we calling it, Carl?
Yes, once again, I'm Carl H.
I am Chelsea Vox.
And we are...